Everything's still pretty much the same round here. Neighbors still shooting all of next year's deer. Boys still lose unless they're playing at home. But I got better since you got gone. I'm still a few